Hey, Dr. Dellinger, just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on what we did the past week. So I'll start with our burn down here. So anything that we did this week is coded in blue here. There are a few things that we did that we didn't list here, just like some upgrades that I did to the effects that we put on the jet, basically. But basically, biggest things were adding the flare system for the jet. It's not 100% perfect yet with missiles switching to them reliably, but it's mostly in place. The textures got downsized massively just across the board. It's not just the missile textures. I spent a while doing that. So it actually runs a bit smoother now, which is good. We also added a first-person view. This just hasn't been marked done yet. It's not quite perfect as in it doesn't scale with screen size yet, as you'll see, but that's a pretty easy fix. And then, like I mentioned, a few things that I just kind of did quality of life changes on some of the stuff, but I didn't really feel like it was worth mentioning in a specific task. It was just a bunch of little things, so we'll show you a little preview here. Also, I just realized that I can't capture computer audio with the free version of this program, so I'm sorry that you haven't been hearing any of this, and I thought you were. Oh, I also got the missile exhaust to work properly, as you can kind of see here, and added this little new kind of light source thing that the jet has. But we also have here the flares, if they'll go off. Yeah, so there's the flare system. Basically, it'll just shoot a few flares. And I'm going to change it a little bit so that it shoots more like what a jet actually looks like when it's shooting flares, rather than just spawning them off of the sides. But yeah, that's still a little bit in progress, just to tune it up a little bit. And then we've also got the first-person view, which is, like I said, it's not perfect yet, but it's Enoch did that one from scratch, so he's still working on getting the scaling all working and everything like that. But I believe that's the bulk of it for this week. Like I said in a previous video, most of the tasks were set out for the last sprint, so we're mostly doing quality of life stuff and bug fixes. As you can see, we've still yet to get to the Zeppelin. I don't know if, yeah, there he is. We're still working on that, looking through solutions. It's proven a little bit more challenging to get everything. It's not hard to get it oriented properly, but it is hard to get it oriented properly and behaving properly at the same time. So we're still working through that, but it's mostly bug fixing and then a little bit of quality of life improvements at this point. So I feel like we're in a good place. Yeah, thanks.